just pulled in at Mr. Russ's spot here. We're gonna go in and see how grumpy he is today. Where's the grumpy old man at?
Oh, grumpy old man and grumpy old officer.
Look at, that's the better half right here, the doggy. Here's the grumpy old man over here. Oh yeah, get him right there. Hi, puppy.
What's up,
you
man?
got a new doggy. You got a new dog. I can need a whole list of stuff. You got anything? You got anything in stock here?
I ain't got a damn thing, man. Nope, we sold it all just an hour ago before you got here. Sorry.
You smell my doggy. Hey, hi, doggy.
You need stuff besides just the machine, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I don't even have an account set up for you under pressure wash and help.
That's fine. Or help me. I thought you had one under help me for me.
Maybe it was help me, but he said pressure wash and help, and I don't.
That's fine. That looks good and healthy. What's that right
Help
there?
LLC. Why are you
That's
messing
me.
with my breakfast, man?
Because I love Russ. Russ is, see, there goes that damn phone. He's awful mean. See, he's got to be so hateful.
I got to be.
I don't know why he's so hateful.
Because it amuses me.
Before we go on any further, if you would like to learn more about pressure washing and stuff like that, I have a step-by-step course of how to do a pressure washing business. You can go check it out at pressurewashhelp.com or King of Pressure Washing, and there I have all the steps. In fact, one of the steps is building your own rig, and I teach you step-by-step of how to build a rig, reasons why we need to build a rig, and not only that, it is also the 26 steps to the perfect house wash. I give you all 26 steps to make sure that you do a perfect house wash every time and you do every step, so that way you hit everything you need to do, like marketing, like taking before and afters to cover your tail, and all of that is detailed in there, so make sure you go check that out. See, Russ loves me, he really does. I send him lots of business because I always say how good he is, but he can get grumpy sometimes, or a lot of times. Or maybe it's just me because I can poke at him, and I like doing that. Somebody making some money in a big old Yukon. All right, so we're out of here. Any last words from the man? The
Thanks
legend.
a lot, man. Appreciate it.
Awesome. Russ is a great guy to buy equipment from. He's been around from when they used to work on stuff with like stone wheels and stuff. So if you need any pressure washing equipment, check out Russ. He sometimes can be grumpy, but he is a good guy to buy from. So check him out. What's your website again?
Pressurewasherky.us.
And where are you located again?
Brooks, Kentucky.
Brooks, Kentucky. Awesome. Check him out. He definitely has a lot of equipment that he can hook you up with, right?
Thanks a lot, buddy. I appreciate it.